Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. So in my region, this option is not available, but let me show you the steps you can follow to avail it on your region. So to do that, you have to go to your privacy settings, like you can control who can see your profile picture through your WhatsApp privacy settings. In your privacy settings, you can choose my contacts as set and select specific contacts who won't be able to see your profile picture. And alternatively, you can choose do not have a profile picture, which prevents anyone from seeing or taking screenshots of it. And WhatsApp has implemented screenshot blocking or profile pictures. Um, so users cannot take screenshots of others users' profile pictures. So yeah, this is how you can do it if you want to do the for the chats. So to do that, you can manage who can see your status by updates through your WhatsApp privacy settings. Similar to your profile pictures, you can select specific contacts who will not be able to see your status updates. You can also choose to share your status on with only public specific contacts. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.